Hi there and welcome. Today we're exploring the AEQ Solar Wall Lights Outdoor, a sleek and modern solar sconce designed for your porch, garage, or yard. This light features 3 lighting modes including motion sensing, dim light, and constant on, giving you customizable illumination. It comes with both warm and cool white bulbs, charging during the day and automatically lighting up at night to save energy. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures it withstands rain and snow for year-round outdoor use. Installation is simple with no wiring needed. Just mount it on the wall and let the solar panel do the rest. This durable, energy-efficient light adds both security and style to your home exterior effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.